Alright guys, here we are with a just quick tip video, I guess you could call it. This is a spare head that, well, I'm not going to use on my particular project, but just for a quick demo, I'm going to show how to get the cam followers or rocker arms out of the head, because this style of head, this is a 2.3 Ford head, and it doesn't have removable cam caps. The cam has to go in and out, well, actually that way. So there's a retainer plate on the back there. And anyways, if you got one of these heads and you're thinking about taking it apart, swapping a cam, changing valve springs, whatever, hopefully this might be helpful for you. And so yeah, basically there is a special tool. It's pretty expensive. I busted out the manual so you could see. Alright, so there's the picture of the tool in action. And I looked online for this tool, and it was pretty expensive. I think something around $100. And I thought, man, I really don't want to get that for basically one-time use, $100. And the cheapest I found was like around 60 on eBay, but it was like just the end piece, and then you got to attach a breaker bar to it, something like that. But then I looked around on the forums and they said, oh no, you don't need a special tool, just use this pickle fork from your ball joint removal set. And I said, oh, okay, well, that sounds a lot better, especially considering you can get these for like, I don't know, $6 or something. So let's give it a shot and see. So basically, it's just, you just gotta press on or use the cam to get leverage to push down on the spring. And oh, there we go. And you can slide that rocker out, and hey, what do you know? It actually works. And then to put it back in, oh, there we go. So it's just a matter of positioning it. So yeah, when you slide it out, you gotta pull it back off the lifter, and when you put it back in, you can just kind of position it right up over the lifter. And let's see if we can get a view of that. See how it's, yeah, oops, shadow. So I've got it right up to the lifter, and let's see, let me try to keep this view here. So, and oh, there we are. It's in place. So yeah, so you can see the full view from that side. So you can slide it off and then get it where it's kind of halfway over it. Slide it back on. That's pretty easy. And all that just using a common pickle fork. So for your cam swaps or whatever other head work, actually just to get started on disassembling the head, if that's what you're doing, that'll be a good start. And yeah, in a little bit I'll probably do a video on the head that I've already got ripped apart, because I found some interesting problems with like valve stem seal falling off, and one of the springs was installed upside down somehow. I don't know how that happened. Anyways, I hope that was helpful. So that's the pickle fork trick for the Ford 2.3 Ranger, Mercor, SVO Mustang, Super Coupe T-Bird, Mercury Capri 2.3 Turbo. I said that wrong. Super Coupe is the supercharged, the later generation. It's the Turbo Coupe. Whoops. Alright, hope that was helpful, guys. Happy wrenching.